Good morning class. As yesterday we have ended with English literature course. That was the last chapter which we have done in our reader book, chapter 6. That is the Tiger's Trick part 1. Now today we are going to start with English language last chapter. That is last part of it. That is the writing of paragraph on Holi. Today we are going to write a paragraph on Holi. That is the short form of a type of essay. It is the type of a essay in which we write about approximately words. That means today we are going to write 50 words on Holi. 50 words doesn't mean that exactly we are going to write 50 words or the paragraph should be of accurate 50 words. It doesn't mean that. Above 50 or below 50 can also work. If we write 60 words, it is also correct. Ups and downs in that can also be included. Now, today, as we are going to write a paragraph on Holi. Now, Holi is a festival of colors, as you all know. It is being played. Holi is being celebrated throughout India. That is, it is celebrated all over India. It is a festival of colors. Hindu people almost celebrate this festival. It is celebrated among Hindu. It is a festival of Hindus only. Now, people buy pichkari in this festival. We dance, play music. We all do this. In our homes, some of the sweets are being prepared. Like we prepare gujia, papad and all this. You all might be knowing that what is the festival of colors? Holi. People wish each other. Holi is celebrated because it is the victory of good over evil. Good over evil means in this the Lord Prahlad was being asked to sit in a fire with his aunt. That means with his aunt, and he is being asked to burnt into the fire, but his aunt was being burnt, but Prahlad didn't burn. So it is the victory of good over evil. Holi is being celebrated because of this only. People from all walks of life celebrate this festival. Children are very happy in this festival. They buy pichkaris from the market and enjoy coloring each other faces and all this. Now, including all these in our topic, we are going to write a paragraph including all these sentences. As I have told you, including all these sentences which I have told you, we are going to write a paragraph on Holi. Today we are going to write 50 words, approximately 50 words, not exact 50, in our notebooks. Now let us begin with the paragraph writing on Holi. Now today, as I have already told you, that we are going to write a paragraph on about the festival of colors, that is Holi. Before starting the paragraph writing, now let us fill the index. First of all, put the serial number, put today's date, paragraph on the festival of colors, Holi, and count the number of page and write it here. As I am starting it on page number 51, I have written 51 here. Now turn to a new page and write today's date, classwork. Write a paragraph in about 50 words on the festival of colors, Holi. You have to write this heading using black pen. Now, Holi is a festival of colors celebrated by Hindus throughout India. It is a festival of colors which is being celebrated by Hindus. Only Hindus celebrate this festival. Throughout, it is being celebrated all over India. It falls in the spring season. In which season it falls? It comes in the spring season. Spring season comes after the winter season. So, Holi is in the spring season. It is one of the happiest religious festival. People from all the walks of life celebrate it without thinking of age and put color in advance and play and dance on the music. People put colors and exchange good wishes during the day. In this line, it is being explained that it is the most happiest religious festival which people celebrate. They didn't even think of their age. They celebrate it without any hesitation. They put colors on each other. They dance on the music which is being played. It is being celebrated all over India. People in advance do preparations for holy celebration. People in advance do the preparations for celebrating Holi. They bring colors to their home and they put colors on each other's faces and they exchange goods. That means they exchange good wishes and some of the gifts with each other. They dance during the day. In evening, before Holi is being played, in the evening time, Holika Dahan takes place, which is a symbol of victory of good over evil. One day before Holi, Holika Dahan takes place at night in the evening time, which is the symbol of victory of good over evil. Because in the previous stories, it is being told to us that God Prahlad with his aunt was being burned. Lord Prahlad was being asked to sit in the fire with his aunt, and when he was being burned, the aunt of her was burned, but Lord Prahlad was alive. So it is being told that it is a symbol of victory of good over evil, because evil didn't stay forever and good always stay forever. The custom of visiting friends and relatives continues for a week. The custom of visiting friends and relatives, they visit among all for a week. Now, I hope this paragraph is clear to all of you. Let me repeat the paragraph again so that you can write it. Holi is a festival of colors celebrated by the Hindus throughout India. It falls in the spring season. It is one of the happiest religious festivals. People from all walks of the life celebrate it without thinking of age and put colors in advance and play and dance on music. People put colors and exchange good wishes during the day. In the evening, Holika Dahan takes place, which is a symbol of victory of good over evil. The custom of visiting friends and relatives continues for a week. Now, here, as we complete with both the syllabus of English literature and English language. Now from tomorrow, as we are going to start the revision book from tomorrow, now homework for you all is to revise whole of the chapter 7 from English literature, that is haircut, for revision. Thank you.